Hello, friends. I want to intrigue you to the fullest today. Imagine this. I bought a cheap 2005 Ford Fiesta for just 100 euros. Yes, you heard that right. It's not a joke. A little red warrior that's still running and seems to have some character. Under the hood, 51 kilowatts, or about 69 horsepower. Not a Formula One car, but it drives and doesn't complain. It has a manual gearbox, so you'll have to work with your hands a bit, but the feeling of real driving is guaranteed. The fuel is petrol, and the consumption pleasantly surprises, so your wallet won't cry. Inside, it's classic. Simple but cozy. A bit worn, yet full of soul. This Fiesta is like an old friend. Not perfect, but reliable. Thanks for watching, friends. If you enjoy these car adventures, don't forget to like. And of course, subscribe if you love cars as much as I do. See you on the road.